lovelies and Grinches, welcome back. It's the silly season. Alright, so I just thought I'd say hello and let you know what's happening over the next couple of weeks. So tonight we're going to review a Woolworths cheesecake for Christmas. 20 bucks. Let's see, I can't wait. Yeah, I got one anyway because I want to check them out and see what they're like for Chrissy, because as you all know, making your cheesecakes now, they're not cheap to make either, but they're always better when you make them yourself. But I thought I'll check it out anyway and see if it's worth the 20 bucks. And then I thought, oh, shit, I should really do a video on it so you can all see too, and then you know if you can run out and get yourselves a Woolworths cheesecake for Christmas. So that's the first thing we're going to do. Now, next thing we're going to do is, obviously I've got heaps of Christmas recipes coming up, and I can't wait for that. I'm going to have to give so much stuff out. No shit, it's all moreish. So, what I'm going to do is, the next thing hopefully will be reviewing my brand new ice cream maker from Aldi's. I've had it sitting in the cupboard for about 6 months, brand new in the box. I've got an awesome eggnog ice cream I want to make. So I thought, oh well, since the last review on the donut maker went so well, I might as well try the ice cream maker. So over the next few days, we've got the ice cream maker coming up, and I hope it works, I'm telling you, because I love my ice cream. And then after that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do for the Grinches, I'm going to make sure I do a couple of normal videos in between, okay, so you still get your Aussie stuff. Fruit cakes. I want to smash out a heap of fruit cakes. I have been buying the dry fruit and the nuts for about 3 months now. One thing every week, just to get it all up, because it costs a lot of money to make fruit cakes. But, and all of these last 3 months in the fridge. So you can get your butts out there and get everything you need, and you can make them up anytime you want from now onwards. Wrap them really well, stick them in the fridge, and they are perfect for Christmas and a few weeks after. So that's an awesome thing that you can do now and tick off the list. And plenty of cheesecakes, obviously. I've got a few really yummy ones coming up as well. And just some really trippy little things, cheap ideas, you know me, anything and everything. So let's get cracking and let's test out this cheesecake. Righty, let's do this. I'm pretty excited. I don't normally buy stuff like this, so this will be really cool. Okay, so this is from Woolies. I got it delivered. It come upside down in a bag. Wasn't impressed with that. So Woolies, take a bit care when people are going to spend $20 on a damn cake, please. Okay, 900 grams. So it's heavy, which is amazing for the size of it, because I don't think it's that big. 900 grams, so it's just 100 grams off of a kilo cake. Alright, this one is hand-finished, fully loaded chocolate brownie cheesecake. An indulgent dessert mashed up with a rich chocolate brownie base and white chocolate cheesecake center, topped with dulce de leche and a selection of chocolate pieces. Okay. Let's rip this sucker open. Now, it is small, so I reckon, I mean, it's Christmas, so you want to be eating more than normal. I reckon 6 pieces. Okay. Alright. Let's see if you can see that. So it's got some caramel stuff on the top. Little bits of chocolate balls. That looks like some maybe violet crumble, Maltesers and some chocolate. Alright, we can do that. Now, I'm just going to have a look and see. It says this product has been frozen from fresh and thawed for your convenience. So, if you can keep it cold enough from the store to when you get home, you should be able to, if you want to buy one now for Christmas, you should be able to whack it straight back in the freezer, no problems. You can pretty much, I mean, people don't know this, you can actually refreeze meat if you want, as long as it doesn't get warm. As long as it's, like if you've pulled it out and thawed it in the fridge, and the next day you thought, oh gee, I've got something else, I don't need that, you can actually put it back in the freezer, as long as it hasn't gone lower than fridge temperature. So say if you get that from a shop and it's cold, were you laughing? Or if you get it and whack it on the top of an esky to keep it cold, in an esky or something until you get home, and I would whack it straight back in the freezer, no problems there. Alright, so for 20 bucks, we don't get fresh. Alright, let's open her up. Okay, it comes with a little thing on it. That's nice. Alright, it doesn't really look, you know, it's pretty friggin' ordinary to be honest. Like, it doesn't look, I mean, look how little it is. There's my hand. Alright, let's cut a piece. Wow, that's, I can tell it's dry. Okay, it looks pretty okay. It looks really nice. I love the two layers like that. Caramel and the chocolate. It's really good. Alright, let's try a piece. This is how it went down. Now my granddaughter absolutely loves it, but there's a reason for that. It's coated in chocolate. What wouldn't any kid wouldn't? My partner, my eldest son and that, the whole lot of them absolutely loved it. They said I should buy one and freeze it for Christmas. So you know what? That's what they're getting. So the verdict's out. It's really good. It's absolutely worth its money. And yeah, if you don't want to cook for Christmas, grab one and bang it in the freezer. Well done, Woolies. I forgot to say too, see the mailbox here next to me? It's all metal, it's from Woolies and it's 15 bucks. And mate, it is awesome. My granddaughter loves it. It's like half full of request letters for Santa already. So if you're going to go in and get a cake, grab one of them, they're awesome. Well, there you have it. If you like this video, please press the like button. It's one way you guys can help me out immensely, is that any video that you like, if you click that like button for me, because I know you all want to donate all the time, and I'm not really, you know, I haven't worked that out yet or whatever. So if you click the like button, the more likes a video gets, the more times it whacks it up there on YouTube for me, more people that view it. And if you don't mind spending a few minutes out of your time and let the commercials play, I can get some pocket money for some more ingredients, like win-win, and it doesn't cost you a cent. So click that bloody like button if you like it. If you don't like it, don't click the don't like button. Just move on to the next one. You'll find one you like sooner or later. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll be back really soon, probably with the ice cream maker, maybe a couple of cheesecakes before it. I'm really not sure yet. Have yourselves an awesome night. Ho, ho, ho!